How to switch account in Facebook Messenger application. So if you want to switch your account in Facebook Messenger application, then first you just need to open up your Messenger. Once you open up your Messenger, now you need to go for the upper left, which has that 3 bat icon, and go for the settings option, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on settings here, you will have an option of switch account. But if you don't have the option of switch account, then you can scroll down and you will have a log out option. So you can log out and then you can switch back to another account. But you will have switch account option. So simply tap on switch account. Once you tap on it, it will show all of the accounts that you have on your device. So you can simply choose any other account that you would like to switch and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you might need to enter the password, or if you have already saved the password, then it will automatically log into your account. So that's how you can switch your account in your Facebook Messenger app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.